So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to split clips here on VN video editor. So once the app's opened up, if you wanted to split clips, so I have my one clip right here just like this, but if you wanted to split it a few times and make some edits, go to the bottom here. Don't press on hold, just go to the bottom, press the clip, and then go to the Caesar where it says split, and you can go ahead and make some splits like this. So if I split the clip a couple times right here, you can then change the clip in regards to what it looks like. So if you wanted to make this one normal, maybe you wanted to add a filter to this one, just like that. I'll just go ahead and add a gray filter. If I wanted to go ahead and maybe for this one, I wanted to add some effects right here to where it spins, right? Something like that. If I were to go ahead and play the video right here, it has now been split up into different clips, and you can do different things with each clip in regards to the same video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to split clips here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.